This 5 horsepower Powerflex AC drive, built by Alan Bradley, came to ERD as an expedited rush from a local customer whose operation was halted without this part. We identified the errors, and after a 1-day rebuild, we were able to get this drive back up and running. This was a product that could have been replaced, but all suppliers had a 4-week shipping process, so repair was the only viable operation for our customer. Since all the issues with COVID, ERD has been encountering more and more supply chain issues, which we have been able to assist through our rapid repair capabilities. So if you too are feeling the effects of that, please reach out.